Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, we have to find the value for this expression, that is 1 minus 4 times bracket 1 minus 4 bracket close. So here 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Then here minus 3. So here answer is 9. But this is the wrong answer. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis means bracket part, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here one thing you have to remember, this multiplication and division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So let's solve this according to this rule. Question is what? 1 minus 4 times parenthesis 1 minus 4. So first we will solve this parenthesis. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Then multiplication part, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. So the correct answer is 13.